Hi everyone, and welcome to the first video tutorial on the Togondo system. My name is Reese, I'm one of the founders of Togondo, and sincere thanks for your interest. So the first thing that we want to do today is to just show you how to actually use the system and register for the first time. So the first thing that you'll want to do is actually just go to our website, which is www.togondo.com. And that'll take you through to the basic website for Togondo. Now, from here, you have two options, and this will be the only time that you do this as a user of Togondo. You can either go to the menu bar and click on Login, or just click on this big red button here. So we'll click on here, click to login, and that'll take you to the actual web app itself. Now again, for the first time that you use this, you'll want to just save this link to your home space, be it your phone, your iPad, tablet, or your desktop. So we'll just say add to home screen down here, and it'll ask me to send this to my home screen. So we'll just say Togondo, and there's the app icon. Click on add, and it'll say added to your home screen. So now what happens is when we go back to our phone home space, we've got the app there. So now all we have to do is just click on that app every single time, and it'll take us through to the actual app itself. So you can see here that we can log into the system via a number of means, via social media, or just by logging in with your email address and a password that you might specify. So here what we want to do is just click on your choice, but I'll click on Google, and that will log me into the system with Google. So from here, this is the actual system itself. We haven't actually logged into any given property yet, so the system doesn't know where I actually live. So the first thing that we'll want to do is click on the top left menu bar and click on Register Unit. So that'll ask me a number of questions. It'll give you some advice on how to fill in your profile, but fundamentally it'll ask me where I actually live, when I moved in, and my unit number. So let's do that. I'll use Togondo Gardens as an example. It'll ask me which particular unit I live in. So let's just say, for example, I don't know, 113, and that I moved in on that date. It'll also ask me to click on all of the key fobs that I have access to add a key fob, the number of that key fob. I won't choose to do that now. It'll also ask me the type of occupant that I am, whether I own the unit but live off-site, whether I own but live in the building, or whether I'm just a resident in the building that might not own that property. So I'll say own a resident. It'll ask me for a contact number, so my property manager can contact me. So I'll just say this number. This is also quite important because if the PM wants to send out emergency notifications or broadcasts to all owners and residents, then this would be one way that they could get in contact with you. Likewise, you could add an emergency contact number. It'll ask me whether I can add any pets, whether I need evacuation assistance, what parking stalls that I might have, and what my license plates are for those vehicles if necessary. And finally, it'll ask me just to agree to the terms and conditions. You can review those just by clicking on the word terms and conditions. But in this case, I'll just say, yeah, I'm happy with that. And then I click submit. So that's it. So that request now to move into Togondo Gardens in that particular unit number is now sitting with the property manager on their phone or on their tablet or on their desktop, and they will review it and hopefully approve it. Now, once they've approved it, you'll get notified, and at that point, the look and feel of the app will change, and you'll have access to a whole load of more functionality in terms of raising service requests, viewing documentation, and booking amenities if that's what you have at your particular building as well. So the final thing that you want to do here is just click on your preferred type of notification. So whether you want to get notifications on your phone, like an app notification, whether you want emails, and whether you want text messages as well. So let's just say no to that and yes to that. And that's it. So that will save automatically, and then you can go back to home and we're done. So all we do now is wait for the notification that your PM has approved your registry, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks again.